Kakunhun Menteri Kabinet jangka Sarkar Meghalaya kalarai ban Penteri Kam yaka State Mental Health and Social Care Policy arhajar arpuar. Kalat ban Sumar ki Nongpang hakabor Pyrkhat hakarukom ka Bapaka barjanai. Kani ka raju ka Sarkar kala penkemen shika day ya Menteri ka kwat ka kya James PK Sangma. U James ulaong ba kilat Sumar sukher bat kidawai dasyen ni ki Nongpang bor Pyrkhat kilong ki baram hadu kata. Ulaong ru bahadin u COVID-19 bon ki breu ki layat lengba bon ki jing haka jing kani kala khata e ki jingmu jing Pyrkhat jong ki patba ladon ru ki khap ki breu ki ladkhat ela ka jong ka jing ka Sarkar jilla kadang pej benya ban kersya ne ki tu ki badon kam ki Jingsumar sukher lengba ka Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme MHIS ulaong ru ba ka Sarkar kan ai ki jing kersya ne ka jing shakri jong ka Meghalaya Institute of Mental Health and Neurological Sciences MIMHANS but ki wei ki jaka Sumar ki ba pej kerpang ya kum kini ki Nongpang.
So I'm extremely privileged and happy to announce that the State Cabinet today passed the State Mental Health and Social Care Policy 2022. This is a policy which has been which was being developed for the past 1 year, and a lot of work and a lot of research consultations have gone into this, and today we have been able to bring this policy to the State Cabinet and pass this State Mental Health and Social Care Policy. We all know that today mental health is an extremely important sector of healthcare, and it is despite the nature, the important nature of it, it has not been addressed in a correct manner, nor has there been any kind of targeted or structured approach towards tackling mental health. And it's something that has been going on very silently. We've seen the effects accentuated and come out more openly during the COVID times, where a lot of people have gone through depression, and there have been also very severe cases of suicides that have taken place. So we've, as a government, as a health department, we felt it extremely necessary that we must address this issue of mental health and have a focused and targeted approach towards how we want to take mental health care in the future. In terms of what we need to do, we are right now, MIMHANS or other institutions are doing their best, but they need the kind of support that is required from the government. And I think where we stand right now, we need a lot more in terms of how we are going to tackle mental health issues. And as I said, that this is something which is very silent. It's going on. I mean, something as simple as depression. I mean, a lot of people don't even realize that depression is a mental health issue, and I could be having, or you could be having it, and not realize that we are going through depression. So those kind of things are so silent and so quiet that we often miss all those kind of things. People don't come forward. So a lot needs to be done, especially going down right to the grassroots. We need to really have a system whereby we provide the care pathways, which means that anyone who feels that he's having this problem can immediately go to the first point where they can talk to psychiatrists or counselors, and also in terms of having a whole not just the primary, secondary, but also at the tertiary level, which is MIMHANS, what you were just mentioning. So yes, there's a lot more needs to be done at that tertiary level as well.